Hello, my name is Achim Kettler from Dental Wings and welcome to coDiagnostiX Shorties. coDiagnostiX allows you to modify your top bar. Click on the top with your right mouse button. You will see Adjust, click on the button and a window with a lot of possibilities is opening. So my most preferred button is Choose Display Mode. I move it on the top by drag and drop, or if you like, you can go on the measurements and move them here for easier access. Another possibility is to modify your workflow, so you can make the matching first, or if you think printing does not belong to your workflow, you can move it even outside. So, and if you made a lot of modifications and are not okay with it, just go on the bottom, go on Open Workflow, Digital, activate it, and everything is like you started. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see something special, send us the topic. Thank you.